Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This might take a couple of videos. I don't like this, personal preference. I don't like this ring. It's not perfect in shape. So what I would do is possibly take another rectangle or your ellipse tool and make that shape. We just talked about this yesterday, and I think it's the same person. I'm going to turn on hairline in red. So now when we draw, we'll have this remedy. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to make it about that approximate size. We go here to the pen tool and go about 12 points, 16 points. And it's just like any other thing. If you can't get your point size, you can always type it in. Let's go 42. That's pretty close. And then let's go up to object and convert the object outline to an object, and then left click, right click. That way we'll be able to see it against our other shape. And then that way, if we need to elongate it, squash it down. And if you grab this handle, you can mimic it. We're a little bit high. Let's change our nudge factor to like 0.5 of an inch. Grab our new ellipse. That's going too fast. 0.1. And I really think we're pretty close. We need to stretch this out a little bit. You could always fill that in with yellow, and then you could kind of tell more what you're doing maybe. Whoop, I grabbed the wrong one. See right there, it shows you that you grabbed the yellow, so we can bring that down. There we go, that looks pretty good. Bring this up, because there's actually two lines there. Bring this out. And then let's cursor over just a hair. And for the one I'm doing it for, he can play around with that more. Then I would change my nudge factor. Let's see how big this thing is. It's 36 inches, and he had it, let's go 38 inches. Let's move that out of the way. Let's take this ring and let's move it down just in case we need it later. I'm going to move it back. And if you saw he had, and I'm going to take away the fill, he has a slot cut in there between there. So we're going to do that exact same thing by taking a 2-point line and just kind of mimic that from that point to that point. And then if you take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in and then nudge it over, get rid of your lineage, put this back, and we need to be that color, so we're going to take the attribute eyedropper tool. If you saw that, I'm on the outline and I need to be in the fill. There we go. Well, actually, I guess that ring was black, so let's just make it black. And now you can see that it is a better shape. We're going to leave those two lines there. We're going to change our nudge factor back to 40 inches. Take that circle and elongate it. Now, I might have should have made another copy of it and contoured it in, but I really think that one looks pretty good. I would just clean up this edge to make that look a little better. Maybe it's supposed to be like that, I don't know. But let's take that ring and go left click, right click, and you can see that part right there that just doesn't look good. Maybe let's take the shape tool and just bring that out to square. Bring this out to square. And then we can use the Smart Fill tool to fill in that shape. Nudge it over. Get rid of our lines. Get rid of our little lines. Nudge that back. Now we want to use the attribute eyedropper tool color eyedropper tool, get that brown of that horse and put it in there. That way this is a lot cleaner looking. So I try to keep my videos pretty short. Let's stop here and make part 3. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.